everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Sma, where I share recipes that I make for my family with you guys. Today we are making chakalaka bread. These are just some of the ingredients that we are going to be using mainly for the dough. I will be introducing more ingredients as we move along with the video. I've already sifted my flour, and to that I'm just going to add the sugar, the yeast. I'm using pink salt. Use whatever salt you have. Remember guys, the list of all the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box. Be sure to check that out. So I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredients together, just so that everything is incorporated with the flour, and I am going to make a little well in the middle to start pouring my warm water. I'll be adding my water bit by bit as we go along. It's always easier to just add bit by bit, unlike pouring all the water at once. You'll end up having to add more dough or more flour to your dough, which will just cause a lot of complications. So as you'll see me doing as the video progresses, I'll be adding just a bit and need to see where the consistency is. So I just mix everything until it forms a dough. So my dough is still a little dry at this point, and I've just added a bit more water and just mixed it through, and I'm going to move on to a floured surface and start kneading. This is where the hard work goes in. So I'll be kneading for about 10 minutes until the dough is soft and springy to the touch. So once I'm done kneading, I'm going to just move the dough over to an oiled bowl, cover that with cling film and a dish towel, and put in a warm place to rise for about 45 minutes or until doubled in size. So I was happy here with my dough, and just going to punch it down and flour my surface again, and I am going to start rolling my dough. We want a triangular shape, so that's what I was going for here. So here guys, my camera stopped recording, but once you're done rolling your dough, put some butter on it, brush some butter onto your dough, and add your chakalaka. I have already made my chakalaka. I have a recipe there. Be sure to check it out somewhere in my channel. And then I am going to add my cheese. I'm just using grated yellow cheddar, and I form that into a log, and I'm going to transfer it into a pan. Remember to tuck in the ends of the dough just to close it up, and then start cutting the dough, not going all the way to the tucked part of the dough. Slice through towards the bottom of the dough and just try to maneuver it. It's a mess trying to do this, but I managed to wrestle it into shape, and I let it proof again for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then we are going to start to bake. And voila, I'll let you guys know the temperature again in the description box. And it just looks magnificent. It smells delicious. Now it has now become somewhat of a favorite in my house. Everybody likes this. So guys, make this for your braai. Make it just to complement your Sunday meal, or whenever you just feel like it. Serve it with more chakalaka on the side and butter, and you are good to go. I promise you, it slaps. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until the next time, take care.